Welcome back, guys, to Study Money. And in today's video, we will show you how to add funds to your Paymaya account using BPI. And also, along with this video tutorial that we will show you, you will also see and learn how to send money to Paymaya account holders. So, for example, you're planning to pay for someone or something online, whether it's a purchase or a donation or whatever the case may be. So, itong video na to will help you learn more on how to send money to Paymaya account recipients, or even at the same time fund your own Paymaya account. And we will teach you how to do this in a couple of ways. So now, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, then subscribe to our channel to continue to show your support to Study Money. And what we do is we provide a lot of videos about banking tutorials for different banks, local and abroad, predominantly BPI, ING, Security Bank, BDO, Union Bank, and at the same time, meron din kaming tutorials for payment gateways such as PayPal and Payoneer and Zoom and many other payment gateways. And so if you have not already, hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell button so that you can get all the sweet updates that we roll out from time to time. So let's go. The first step that you need to do kung wala ka pang Paymaya account is to go to the App Store or the Play Store and download the app. And it's going to ask you for details, and all you need to do is just input all the details that it asks of you. Okay, and you will need to put in your phone number and as well as your name, and it's also going to ask you to confirm if everything is correct. And once you do, then you will see this in front of you. Now let's begin to add money to your Paymaya account. Okay, so kung makikita mo dyan, add money. Alright, now before you do so, it's going to ask you to upgrade your account. And when you upgrade your account, you're going to need to send some more details, like taking a photo or uploading a photo of a valid ID. Okay? So kung 18 years old below ka, then it's going to ask you for your birth certificate as well as some guardian or some parents' consent, so that you'd be able to have your own Paymaya account. Or for parents out there na gustong gamitin yung Paymaya to send an allowance to your kids, this is also a good way to do that. So just be sure to follow the instructions that they provide you here. And so now let's go to the meat and potatoes of this video. Okay, so now that you're in the user interface of Paymaya, then what you're gonna need to do is locate, bank transfer, and it's gonna ask you to add money to your Paymaya account, and you will need to select the bank. Okay, so tap BPI, and there are a couple of ways to add a bank account. So one is to directly select the bank, and another is to scroll down in the options below. So kung makikita mo dyan, sobrang daming options to fund your Paymaya account. Meron dyang Bayad Center, Smart, BDO, Union Bank, PNB, and so many other options. Okay, so whatever it is that you prefer to do, you can go ahead and use that, but for the purposes of this video, we will use BPI to fund the Paymaya account. Alright, so now that you've selected BPI, then it's going to ask you to enter the amount that you want to fund your Paymaya account So meron tong minimum na 500 pesos and up to 20,000 pesos. Alright, and there is no transaction fee as of the creation of this video, and as you can see here on my screen. Alright, so now you'll be driven to this page, and it's gonna ask you to enter your username and your password in your BPI Online account. And a word of advice to our viewers: please never ever share your username and your password. I know it goes without saying, but please, okay, just don't. It's a very sensitive piece of information, and if it falls into the wrong hands, then you'll not only get your account compromised, but obviously you can end up losing a whole lot of money if you have a whole lot of money in your BPI account or whatever financial account that you're holding. All right, so now it's gonna ask you to choose an account to fund from. All right, and it's gonna show you this page and ask you to review some details before proceeding, and it's gonna send you an OTP or a one-time PIN. And always remember that BPI will not ask you for the OTP. The banking institutions will never ever ask you for an OTP. Ang daming naglipa ng mga modus dyan ngayon that they're pretending to be the bank and ask you for the OTP number. So please never give out the OTP number as well. And so now that you have it, then you enter the OTP code in the space provided here. Now, if you don't have the OTP yet, then you can request and you can press on select or resend code. Now, once you have the OTP, then you can log in to your BPI account, and pwede mo na siya ngayon i-transfer. Alright, so that's the first step. Now the second step is actually logging in to your BPI Online account, and pupunta ka dun sa option na transfer money. And once you have selected the account that you will need to use to send money from and the amount that you desire to send, then select other banks and scroll down some more, and right at letter P you will see Paymaya. Okay, so you will select that bank. Alright, so marami kang makikita dyan, and just tap on Paymaya Philippines, Incorporated. Now once you have selected that, alright, then it's gonna ask you to confirm a few things. So be very, very certain that you have all the correct information before you transfer funds. Okay? Now, make sure that you have the correct phone number and account name. So your account number is the phone number of the recipient. I repeat, yung account number, ang ilalagay mo dyan is the cell phone number that is associated to the Paymaya account. Alright? Hindi siya bank account number but a cell phone number. And then also the account name should be the account name associated to the Paymaya account, or what is stated in his or her Paymaya account. So just please make sure that you have your information correct, kasi baka mamaya ma-reject yung transfer ninyo, or worst, it goes to a different person's account. So you don't want that to happen, right? Okay, now you can also put notes here, and then once you have put notes, then it's gonna ask you to confirm details. And so as you scroll down here, if you agree to the terms and conditions, then hit agree and then hit confirm. And once you do, you will be able to send money to that Paymaya account. And so guys, I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you do, hit the like button, put your comments down below, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.